Hello everyone, this is Mayank Chawla with Team Microbe here. As you know, we are a customized PCBA test fixture manufacturing company and providing best out of the best PCBA as well as product testing in India as well as out of India. So we are manufacturing different types of PCBA testers, which includes manual, semi-automatic, and full automatic. So this test fixture is a manual test fixture where we are providing bed of nail connections for easy accessibility. So if you are a EMS supplier or you are a design company in electronics or you are into any electronics mass manufacturing, then this kind of test fixtures are going to increase your productivity. So if you are not using this kind of fixtures, then the testing is big headache, because testing each and every PCB and providing to a client is necessary part of the production. So like manually testing and manually attaching each and every test points and measuring the voltage or current or frequency with the meters are a traditional way, but these are the smart testers for smart productions and to increase the product productivity. So these fixtures are from one client only, and we are having a repetitive customer, high repetitive customer rate. So we believe in quality and commitments and accuracy in each and every testers. So this is particular test fixture is manual test fixture where we are providing the bed of nail connection, where each and every test points are going to have access with the Pogo pins, and when we close this toggle clamp, Pogo pin will be will come in intersection with particular test points, and you can get that probing to particular connector or inside in your electronic system for further accessibility. So let's start today's video in very deep and you will get an idea. So these are the aluminum frame and rigid aluminum structures. This kind of fixtures are used by lots of EMS suppliers we have provided in India as well as out of India, and they've used this kind of fixture more than 50,000 plus cycle. So you can see a rigidity of work what Microbe is providing. Like we are providing linear bearings here, four linear bearings here. So these are the 8 linear bearing based structure, very rigid and smooth motion. So when operator is using this, they don't have any headache in operations. So we take care of each and every part and each and every aspects in the manufacturing as well as user interface with the fixers also. Also, when we see these kind of fixers, first on 25 parameters which Micron have decided, this fixture is going to be tested by our team. We will tick mark on each and every parameters, like the orientation of PCB, the smoothness of toggle clamp, the height difference, the PCB warpage is there or not. So this kind of uh, accuracy we are providing, and we are testing our fixture on this. After that, we are going to give you at your doorstep. So it will be like a plug and play systems, and you can directly have the utilization of this kind of your the fixtures at your end. So there won't be any misalignment issue when we are using 8 linear bearing. These all the parts are machine cuts. We have in-house machine setups like CNC, laser cutting, laser marking. So we'll have the quality in our control as well as the accuracy in our control. Each and every part is designed in software first, and then it will be drafted into 2D, and we start the manufacturing process. So as I'm saying, like these are the aluminum framing, these are the acrylic base, these are the FR4 plates. You can see like bed of nail also, like each and every accuracy of the cutouts and parts. When we do a machine designing based on the accuracy, when we do a design aspects as well the user interface, the fixer is going to be a like very great in the production as well as in the when you are having at the production area. So you can see this is a programming fixture. There are approximate 10 pogo pins are there. These are the bed of nails. You can see accuracy of machining, the cavity is created. So when we press the PCB from top, it will not bend. When we press the toggle, it will come down, and the particular test point will intersect with these pogo pins, and these pogo pins is connected inside the electronics. As this is a manual fixture, all electrical electronics are going to be taken care from the client side, and they are going to have the all things from their end. So when I am putting the PCB, I just need to close this toggle. When I'm closing this toggle, each and every test points are going to come to the contact. So let's see inside view of this. You can see a very perfectly mounted pogo pins as well as the wiring of the pogo pins. You can see a routing of the pins, like the client needs only a open-ended wires, so they are going to access from there. And so inside also aluminum structure. So this kind of rigid aluminum based systems and acrylic and FR based system we are manufacturing in India and providing lots of great solutions to our clients. We have done approximate 5,000 plus these kind of fixtures and provided in market, and they are working very nice. You can see that this also a very accurate and very reliable system. So this is a 360 movement. Like if you want any plugs here like DB9, DB ports or IDC connectors, we can provide it here. So your Pogo pins can be accessed from the back side. So it can be a easy to use and easy to access. So if you are not using these kind of fixtures in your production line, start using. And if you are having any headache like while testing PCBA, just connect with Microbe. We have in-house mechanical, electrical, electronics, and software development team. If you want some panel mount meters, we can have that. If you want like full automatic test scripts, like we can have the software's UI where each and every test can be cases can be generated and validated on particular parameters. That kind of script writing also Microbe is doing and providing in India as well as out of India. So if you have any such kind of requirement, please connect Microbe, and please like, share, and subscribe our video. So we also get the motivation, and thank you for providing lots of orders from YouTube also. Thank you guys for watching us. Thank you. Thank you very much.